Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys another DIY. I want to make a little keepsake box. A little box to keep my jewelry on right beside my bed on my night table. When I take off my jewelry to go to bed, just place it in that box. Yeah, so let's get into the items that we'll be using for this DIY. Alright you guys, I got this square box from Dollarama, but they also have them now in Dollar Tree. I went in there today and I saw them in Dollar Tree. And I have these square mirrored pieces that I got from Dollarama. And we have our crushed glass. I might be using this, we'll see as we go along, but I have it for now. So that's the crushed glass. And we have some silver paint here. And we have our brush and our scissors and our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started. Oh, and we have our Mod Podge. I almost forgot that. Alright everyone, let's get started. Alright everyone, we're just going to give our square box 2 coats of the silver paint. And now that our box is all dry, we're going to take our mirrored pieces and our E6000 glue, you guys, not the glue gun, E6000 glue, and glue down our mirrored pieces going all the way around and bling out my little keepsake box.
I just want to tell you that you're my perfect girl. And baby girl, if there's anything I want you to know, it's just for you to know. Send me why you, yeah, I'm send me need you. Send me love you, well alright now. Just for you, send me why you.
Okay you guys, I'm going to use glitter instead of using the crushed glass. I'm just going to mix up the glitter with some Mod Podge and then just place it all around our box wherever there's no mirrors. And here's our finished look, you guys. I think it looks very nice. My glammed out keepsake box, a mirrored box. I think it looks very nice and I like how it turned out with the glitter. I'm gonna use the glitter instead of using the crushed glass because I think it looks more neat and elegant with the glitter.
I just need you to keep your eyes on me. Yeah, I just want to tell you that you're my perfect girl.
I think it looks very nice. This is how you open it. You know, you can just place your jewelry in there or any other little thing that you'd like to place in there, but I'll be using it for my jewelry by my night table. I think it looks very nice with the mirrored pieces and everything. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did for today. And leave me a comment below and tell me what you think about this keepsake box. Don't forget to like and press that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up to share with you guys. Alright, and remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye everyone. And I just
just need you to keep your eyes on me. I just wanna tell you that you're my perfect.